And action! Well, we've got some bad news. You know the Chihuahua guy with the, you know, his vest was green with, white dots on it? Yeah, my dog her dog kind of killed him. He bit his nose off. So, we're basically gonna celebrate the funeral next week. Yeah. Sad, ain't it? You know? He was a great friend, a great comrade. You know, he barely was in our videos. So, well, he was a great fellow. He went yo 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 whenever you gave him a reward. I miss him too. So, yeah. Oh, wait, no, wrong animal. Man, he almost stole my spot. So tune in next time for the funeral. Yeah. So yeah, tune in next time. See ya!